Good morning, guys. As you can see, it's dark and foggy. Gonna head down to the south end of the lake and see if we can catch some smallmouth today. Alright guys, we've made it to the lake. It was a foggy, slow drive. Dense fog advisory this morning. Can't even see the water out there. There's the ramp. We gotta get out there and try to get some bites. Alright guys, we're on the water. Water temperature is 46 degrees. Air temperature is 28. Foggy. Bundled up, hopefully warm enough. There we go. Got us one in the boat. Not a bad little smallmouth to start the day. That'll help warm me up. I was getting cold. My phalanges are freezing. Well, was that first fish a fluke? We haven't got another bite. I don't know. Still early though. Still gotta locate them, so we know that wasn't just a fluke. And these things could just fire off at any time. Kind of waiting on this fog to break because I want to go out and fish. I want to fish some bluffs, but I need a little more visibility before I go out on the main lake. Got a little guy from out in the deep. Little spotted bass. Go fish number 2. Got a little guy back between these cables. I thought there might be a fish back there. Little largemouth. 3 fish, and we got a slam. Smallmouth, spotted bass, largemouth. To skip under that cable. It's awful low. Oh, it's a good one. Oh, it's a big smallmouth. Oh, it's a big one. Oh, yeah, guys. Son of a gun. $18.25 inches, baby. That was awesome. So we were fishing a bank over there, the one I wanted to fish, but there was a boat in front of me. And they weren't, they're fishing slower than I wanted to. I wanted to jump. The place I wanted to fish was just in front of them, but I didn't want to jump in front of them. So I made a little run through the fog, which I don't recommend. But I made a run out here to an island, see if we can catch some fish. I've never really done any good out here, but thought I'd give it a try. Well, guys, it's cold. My wife called and my daughter's not feeling well, so I'm gonna go and check on her. We caught some fish today. Foggy, cold, wintertime. Appreciate you guys watching Fishing with Farron and hanging out today. Catch you next time. Fishfinder fell off. I don't know if the camera caught that. This is a rough ramp. Thought it was a goner.